The Bear and the Travelers. Two friends were walking through a forest. They promised to stay together throughout the way. Suddenly, they heard a sound in the bushes. Something was approaching them. It was a huge bear. Both of them got scared. One of them, thinking of his own safety, climbed a tree. The other friend didn't know how to climb a tree. He threw himself on the ground and lay still while holding his breath. He had heard that bears don't prey on dead people. The bear came near the man lying on the ground. He sniffed his ear and slowly walked away. The man on the tree came down. He jokingly asked his friend, "What did the bear whisper in your ears?" The other friend replied, "The bear told me to never trust someone who deserts you in need." Moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed.